So you're all warmly invited to the Dullah Omar Memorial Lecture. It's going to be held on the 9th of October at the University of the Western Cape. It's going to be a very exciting, enriching, and provocative lecture delivered by Minister Naledi Pandor. She's going to be talking about human rights, the prospects, challenges, and the achievements thus far. And it's all going to be in honor of the founding director of the Dullah Omar Institute, the late Advocate Dullah Omar. We're actually very proud, and we feel very honored that we're able to host this lecture every year in honor of Dullah, and that we've been able to do so in close consultation with the Omar family, because we think it's very important that we do the lecture in a way that embraces the spirit and the legacy of Dullah. And one of the things that stands out always when we talk about the achievements and also the way Dullah Omar carried himself was his humility and his passion for social justice.
Firstly, I think it was important for us just to keep the memory of Dullah alive, to ensure that what he lived for and what he worked very hard for does not disappear into the big infinity. And through this memorial lecture, not only was his name being upheld, but more importantly, those principles and beliefs that he held dear, those were being annually refreshed, updated, and made more visible. We have to express our congratulations to UWC and to the Institute. So there, I think the leadership of the Institute itself, the support of the university, and then the caliber of the researchers and the staff that have been attracted to the Institute, together with the output of their research, has actually been something to marvel at. The recognition that the Institute has received overseas and in Africa is really something we've got to be very proud of. And the fact that Dullah's name is associated with all of that makes the family feel very happy.